Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back to our program in every week. Usually we do a podcast. So now, me Rahim Arifarian as the MC. I will, you can see next to me there is two guests that will tell favorite activities in Islamic Development Boarding School, Islamic Development Network Boarding School. Yeah, they will tell their favorite activities. So before that, can you guys introduce yourself?
Alright. Hello everyone, my name is Syarul Azam. I'm from X3KG. Today I will be guest in this podcast. And next to me is
My name is Tama. I'm from XRPL in the Indian boarding school student. Okay, maybe just that for me.
Okay, so actually all of us is 10th grade, but we are different major. Me from TKV, Azam from TKJ, and also Tama from RPL. So actually, what did you guys do in every weekend before we go to the favorite? Maybe what did you guys do? Always do in every week, for each weekend. Your activities, maybe like sleep or anything.
Maybe one of the favorite activities I had so long, maybe it's like jogging. So jogging is like we go out from IDN with preparation, we use our shoes, and then we run from here to the local market in maybe around 2 kilometers from here. So like we shop our daily things or weekly. There's a weekly agenda, but sometimes uh, in some in something maybe if there's training or there other event, we are not doing that because yeah, that's not very
Yeah,
very nice.
how about you, Azam?
I'm in every weekend. I just play badminton and talking with friends. And sometime I go to sleep because in normal day we have a lot of activity. Yeah.
Okay, so then maybe in Saturday it's actually there is SG, or before SG if you want to jogging you can jogging. After SG in afternoon, if from my vision or from my perspective actually after Zuhr, a lot of people sleep. After Zuhr they will play basketball or anything. And yeah, in the night also they still play after Isha until 9 o'clock if I'm not wrong. In Sunday, they will be like uh, in here is silat if I'm not wrong. Tambak
Oh,
suci.
tambak suci.
Ya, tambak suci.
Yes, that's silat, but the flow is subsidy.
So yeah, in Sunday ya, tambak suci we are free until night. So actually, how about your favorite?
One of my favorite is kayak maybe. That's a scheduled agenda like if this week maybe it's gonna be 7th grade or as all SMP, and next week maybe there's 10 graders or it can be combined with 7 graders.
How about you, Azam?
Maybe my favorite activity is playing badminton because if we can, I want to like doing some sport, yeah. And one I think is just playing badminton because I don't don't
Expert.
expert in other sport.
Yeah. Okay, so the from Tama is actually kayak, and from Azam is doing badminton. For myself, I think it will be sleep. I need rest. Okay,
So you sleep every day.
No, actually, if I have free time, I'll sleep. Like after Asar.
Where do you usually sleep?
Huh?
Where do you usually sleep?
I sleep if
Everywhere.
no, like in mosque or in dormitory. Not everywhere. So I think like maybe how about later in the weekend, maybe like there's some event for golf. How about it?
Oh yes. Sometimes like if there's an event from maybe it's only for this major like If the TKG they have AWS. If the cafe, what the name is? Canvas, yeah.
Last time is
Yes,
Canvas.
and Canvas, and from RTL, if not GDG or Google Development Group, it was pretty fast.
So what again?
Oh yeah, and I have one more favorite activities. That was archery.
Ah, yeah.
It's one of the most favorite things that the student have. But the minus is you must have your own archery because IDN only give you the bow if it's only in extracurricular schedule.
How about in weekend? Still there is English. What English area I think there is or not?
If I as the coordinator, it was 50-50.
Okay. So how about any visitation? It's actually do in the weekend or this weekend?
4 weeks, one time every 4 weeks.
What can we do?
Are you good in Harjaya or not?
No, meet. One of you like futsal maybe?
Futsal. I don't know. I never see people play futsal. Futsal there is, but I don't really like the game.
What about basketball? I heard basketball one of the most famous extracurricular in IDN.
Yeah, but if you want to join the team, there will be like qualification. Then not all people can join.
Hard there.
Yeah, I'm not interested. So yeah,
We can have the coach.
the coach is, if I'm not wrong, is actually Ustaz Akmal.
Nah,
Nah, the PIC ya.
Yeah, he's in coach, and also with kayak
Pak Sodik.
Okay, Pak Sodik is for
The SMP.
the SMP, the basketball, and also the what? Talok Suci.
Yes, that's what
How about kayak who
is, if I'm not wrong, it was no, Ustaz Ferry. Yeah, Ustaz Ferry. If the PIC of the futsal who?
So I never know futsal.
Oh yeah, SMK, the vocational high school don't have, but the junior high school, if I'm not wrong, it was Mitra Akbar.
Last time there is ini ya buat like
Qualification.
qualification again sih like with Mr. Benny like for something.
That's sih.
That topic kan. Okay, so I think that's all from us.
Yes.
Sorry boring because yeah like that lah. Okay, so thank you for Tama and for Azam for get the guest in this podcast, and maybe I post this podcast with Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. So as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.